What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on REQ request, which has pumped up over 60% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just below 14 cents guys. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much, where is it heading to next, can it go past 15 cents, potentially heading to 20 cents over the next couple of days, and also looking at is now the right time to buy it, is it too late, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it before it crashes back down, or is it time to simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher. So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well, looking at how high REQ can go in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of request, which is here in purple at just below 9 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly 14 cents, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. However, the only downside to that is there is a huge difference between the SMA indicator and the actual value of request, meaning it may be overvalued right now and may be in for a little bit of a dip over the coming hours and days as well, which I will be going through later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line going in a slightly bullish direction. However, it has slowly starting to come to an end and going in a straight line, and the orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And it is looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting request to have taken a little bit of a dip down to around 12 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be heading towards by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Reason for that is the crypto is slightly overvalued right now due to the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. So it is likely to hit more red candles over the coming hours. However, that does not mean that it's going to start dropping in value right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially hitting 15-16 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down later on this afternoon, evening time, and in the early hours of tomorrow down to around 12 cents in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, once again looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic as it's looking way too steep guys. The reason it's looking so steep is quite obvious, is because it's pumped up so much over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that is not the case and it's clearly not realistic. So by the end of next week, over the next week or so, I'm expecting request to have dropped back down to around below 10 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Same reason as the previous chart, it is overvalued and it's likely to go through a price correction over the coming days. So do expect more red days for request, making it drop down just below 10 cents in value is what I'm expecting from request over the coming week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking way too steep, just like the previous chart. This is not realistic at all, exact same reason. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, so late March, early April 2024, I'm expecting request to be hovering around the 15 cents target, so at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, the only way it's going to do that is it has to first of all go for a price correction, drop down to around 8 to 9 cents over the coming week or two, and then slowly start to gain value from there on, heading towards 15 to 16 cents in late March and early April. So over the next approximately 2.5 months, I'm expecting request to be heading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, but that is only after it goes for a price correction over the coming week or two. Now, bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, it has broken out from the red zone into the green zone without any resistance. So that itself shows me that the crypto right now is not sustainable, because it did not resist at a single point here. It literally just broke through the resistance target here and headed into the green zone. So more likely the crypto is going to drop back down into the red zone is what I'm expecting, and that's what I said earlier on in the video as well, dropping down to around 12 cents, meaning dropping back into the red zone. And last time it did near about hit the resistance target. As you guys can see, it didn't break through, it literally resisted and dropped back down. Same value here. Last year in October, it pumped up to the resistance target, dropped back down, and it's happened in December last year and also in January as well. But this time it literally broke out, meaning it is more than likely going to drop back down into the red zone. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 6,700% up in the last 24 hours, making it $120 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Again, main reason for that is it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance as well. So right now it is getting a lot of attention in the crypto market from both buyers and sellers point of view, and that hence why the trading volume is going up, which in return is also helping the value of request pump up even higher as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on request, guys. A lot of people have been asking me, can this crypto hit the dollar mark in 2024? Personally, guys, it is way too far off the dollar mark. It's going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting it to do so, at least for the next 12 to 18 months. So not this year. However, by second half of next year, it may be able to hit the dollar mark, depending on how the crypto market performs. And of course, if there are any major bull runs or crashes, these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of request, but the crypto market in general, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So yeah, this is my take on this crypto, guys. Comment down below how high are you guys expecting requests to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.